Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a city where every street, every building, and every spark of energy is engineered to push humanity forward. A place where clean energy powers every home, autonomous vehicles glide silently through the streets, and innovation isn't just encouraged, it thrives at the very core of daily life. Picture a city built not for today but for the next century. A living laboratory where breakthroughs in technology, space, and sustainability happen in real time, and where the impossible becomes inevitable. Stay with me, because what you're about to see will redefine how we think about cities' life and the future itself. Imagine a city designed from the ground up to embody the future of innovation, sustainability, and human potential. This is not just any city. It is a place where every element is intentionally crafted to foster progress, creativity, and technological advancement. The vision reimagines urban living, blending cutting-edge infrastructure with an ecosystem optimized for innovation. The focus is on creating a self-sustaining environment where energy, transportation, and industry coexist harmoniously, while prioritizing efficiency and environmental stewardship. And at the heart of this city lies the concept of renewable energy integration. Energy independence is achieved through a combination of solar battery storage and advanced grid technology, ensuring that the city operates with minimal environmental impact, while providing reliable power to residents and industries alike. Each building, public space, and transportation network is designed to utilize energy efficiently, reducing waste and maximizing output. This approach not only supports the city's immediate needs, but also acts as a scalable model for future urban centers. And transportation within this visionary city is redefined. Roads, vehicles, and logistics networks are interlinked in a seamless system designed to minimize congestion, reduce emissions, and accelerate mobility. Autonomous vehicles, electric public transport, and Hyperloop-inspired corridors enable rapid, efficient movement, connecting residents to workplaces, educational centers, and recreational areas. By integrating advanced transportation solutions into the very blueprint of the city, commuting becomes both faster and cleaner, freeing time for innovation, creativity, and collaboration. And innovation districts form the backbone of the city, acting as hubs where research, development, and entrepreneurship converge. These zones attract talent from across the globe, providing state-of-the-art facilities for experimentation in robotics, artificial intelligence, energy solutions, and aerospace technologies. Collaboration is at the core of these districts, where engineers, scientists, and designers work in open, flexible environments that break down traditional silos. By fostering a culture where experimentation is encouraged and resources are abundant, breakthroughs are accelerated and transformative technologies are brought to life more efficiently than ever before. And sustainability extends beyond energy and transportation, influencing every aspect of urban planning. Green spaces, vertical gardens, and water recycling systems are integrated throughout the city to promote ecological balance. Buildings are designed for minimal environmental impact, employing materials and construction techniques that reduce carbon footprints while maximizing durability and comfort. Public parks, communal spaces, and pedestrian-friendly zones encourage human interaction, physical activity, and well-being, making the city not just a place to live but a place to thrive. And the city also embraces the concept of modular development, allowing rapid scaling and adaptation to evolving needs. Residential units, commercial spaces, and industrial zones are designed for flexibility, ensuring that the city can grow organically without compromising efficiency or sustainability. Smart systems monitor resource consumption, traffic flows, and environmental conditions in real time, enabling data-driven decisions that optimize performance across all sectors. This integration of technology and urban design ensures a city that is responsive, resilient, and future-ready. And education and community are central pillars, supporting a population that is both skilled and engaged. Schools and research institutions are closely connected to the innovation districts, creating a direct pipeline for knowledge transfer and workforce development. Residents are encouraged to participate in governance, shaping the city's growth through feedback, collaboration, and shared vision. By embedding education and civic engagement into the city's DNA, the community evolves alongside the technology that drives it, creating a culture of lifelong learning and active participation. And industrial and commercial areas are strategically positioned to minimize environmental impact while maximizing productivity. Manufacturing facilities utilize clean energy and automation, ensuring that production is efficient, sustainable, and safe. Supply chains are streamlined, reducing waste and logistics inefficiencies, while digital infrastructure enables seamless communication and coordination across industries. And this approach redefines what a city can be: an ecosystem where innovation, sustainability, and human potential converge. By integrating advanced technology, ecological responsibility, and a culture of collaboration, the city becomes a living laboratory for the future of human habitation. Every aspect, from energy to transportation to education, is designed to support growth, experimentation, and excellence, setting a benchmark for cities worldwide. Connectivity is a core principle that drives this city's functionality. Advanced communication networks are woven into every structure, creating an environment where high-speed data transfer, seamless collaboration, and real-time monitoring are standard. Residents, businesses, and institutions are connected not only through digital networks, but also through physical design that encourages interaction and knowledge sharing. This connectivity transforms the city into an intelligent organism, capable of self-optimization, predictive maintenance, and adaptive growth. Sensors embedded throughout the city track environmental metrics, energy consumption, transportation efficiency, and human activity, providing actionable insights that ensure continuous improvement and resilience. And housing in this visionary city is reimagined to prioritize both comfort and sustainability. Residential units employ modular construction techniques, allowing for rapid assembly, customization, and future expansion. Smart homes are integrated with energy-efficient systems, automated climate control, and renewable energy management, creating living spaces that adapt to the residents' needs while minimizing ecological impact. Public amenities are strategically distributed to ensure equitable access to education, healthcare, recreation, and commerce, creating a harmonious balance between work, leisure, and community engagement. The architecture emphasizes transparency, natural light, and biophilic design, ensuring that every home fosters a strong connection between residents and the environment. And civic infrastructure reflects the same dedication to efficiency and sustainability. Waste management, water purification, and energy distribution systems are automated and optimized to minimize resource consumption and environmental impact. Circular economy principles are embedded into the city's operations, where materials are continuously reused and emissions are drastically reduced. Public transportation systems utilize clean energy and autonomous technology to provide accessible, safe, and efficient mobility, while pedestrian and cycling networks promote healthy, low-carbon alternatives for local travel. By integrating these systems from the outset, the city avoids the inefficiencies and environmental burdens typical of conventional urban development. And the integration of industry and innovation is seamless, creating a dynamic ecosystem where ideas move from conception to implementation rapidly. Research laboratories, manufacturing plants, and design studios are co-located with educational institutions and residential neighborhoods, breaking down barriers between work, learning, and living. Advanced prototyping facilities and automated production lines enable experimentation at scale, allowing new technologies to be tested, refined, and deployed in real-world conditions with minimal delay. This synergy accelerates the pace of discovery, transforming the city into a hub for technological breakthroughs that can influence industries globally. And cultural and recreational spaces are designed to enrich the human experience, supporting creativity, collaboration, and well-being. Museums, performance halls, sports facilities, and interactive learning centers are interwoven with natural landscapes, providing residents with opportunities for reflection, exploration, and inspiration. Community engagement is fostered through participatory programs, innovation challenges, and collaborative workshops, cultivating a population that is both technologically literate and civically active. Public art, green plazas, and interactive installations reinforce a sense of place identity and shared purpose, ensuring that the city's technological prowess does not come at the expense of human connection. And education is seamlessly integrated into the city's structure, creating a continuous loop between learning, application, and innovation. Schools and training centers are closely linked to research and industrial facilities, enabling students to gain hands-on experience in emerging technologies. Curriculum is tailored to equip residents with the skills required for the future economy, emphasizing problem-solving, collaboration, and technical expertise. Lifelong learning is promoted through accessible adult education programs, innovation labs, and community workshops, ensuring that every individual can contribute to the city's growth and evolution. And the city's approach to governance is as forward-thinking as its physical infrastructure. Decision-making is informed by real-time data, predictive modeling, and community input, creating a responsive, adaptive system that evolves with the needs of its residents. Policies are designed to encourage innovation, sustainable growth, and equitable resource distribution, while governance structures remain transparent and accountable. Residents are empowered to participate actively in shaping the city's trajectory, creating a shared sense of responsibility and collective vision. And health and wellness are integrated into every layer of urban planning. Air quality, water purity, green spaces, and active mobility networks are prioritized to ensure physical and mental well-being. Healthcare facilities employ the latest medical technology and telemedicine systems, ensuring access to high-quality care without compromising efficiency. Preventive health measures, community programs, and wellness initiatives are embedded throughout the city, emphasizing proactive management of health alongside technological and economic growth. And the city also anticipates the challenges of a rapidly changing climate and economy. Its infrastructure is designed for resilience, able to withstand extreme weather events, energy fluctuations, and population growth. Renewable energy sources are diversified and distributed. Transportation networks are redundant and adaptive, and modular construction ensures rapid repair and expansion. By embedding flexibility and sustainability into every decision, the city remains agile in the face of uncertainty, demonstrating how human ingenuity can create a safe, prosperous, and adaptable urban ecosystem. The city's energy ecosystem is designed not only for efficiency, but also for redundancy and resilience, ensuring that power generation and distribution can adapt to fluctuating demands and unexpected challenges. Microgrids, decentralized storage, and intelligent energy management systems work together to maintain uninterrupted service while optimizing consumption. Rooftop solar, large-scale photovoltaic arrays, and cutting-edge battery storage systems form the backbone of a city that operates largely independent of traditional fossil fuels. Advanced monitoring platforms track energy usage in real time, identifying opportunities for optimization and predicting peaks and troughs in demand, creating an energy network that is both sustainable and self-healing. And mobility is reimagined to integrate advanced automation, electric propulsion, and hyper-efficient routing. Autonomous vehicles navigate seamlessly alongside electric public transport and pedestrian-friendly corridors, creating a city where travel is fast, safe, and emissions-free. Hyperloop-inspired corridors and elevated transit systems connect key industrial, residential, and research areas, reducing commute times and linking the city's residents with rapid access to global networks. Smart traffic systems respond dynamically to changes in flow, automatically rerouting vehicles to maintain optimal efficiency, while personal and public transport converge in a unified, frictionless mobility ecosystem. And industrial production within the city exemplifies the marriage of automation, sustainability, and human ingenuity. Factories operate with minimal environmental impact, employing robotics, AI-assisted production lines, and precision manufacturing to reduce waste, energy consumption, and emissions. Supply chains are streamlined through advanced logistics systems, ensuring materials move efficiently from one stage of production to the next. Research and development hubs are embedded within industrial zones, enabling real-time testing, iteration, and refinement of emerging technologies. By co-locating manufacturing and innovation, the city accelerates the pace at which concepts become viable products, positioning itself as a hub for rapid technological advancement. And water management and ecological stewardship are integrated into every level of planning. Rainwater harvesting, greywater recycling, and advanced filtration systems ensure a sustainable and resilient supply of clean water. Green infrastructure such as vertical gardens, urban forests, and permeable surfaces mitigates urban heat, manages stormwater, and enhances biodiversity. Parks, wetlands, and open spaces are interwoven with residential and industrial areas, providing both ecological benefits and recreational opportunities. This balance between built and natural environments ensures that the city not only survives but thrives in harmony with its surroundings. And education and innovation converge in a continuous feedback loop that fuels the city's evolution. Learning environments are connected directly to industrial and research hubs, enabling students to gain hands-on experience with emerging technologies. Universities, vocational schools, and public training centers collaborate with local industries, creating a pipeline of talent equipped with the skills needed for tomorrow's economy. Lifelong learning is encouraged through accessible adult education workshops and digital learning platforms, ensuring that every resident can adapt, grow, and contribute meaningfully to the city's ongoing development. And the city's governance model emphasizes transparency, adaptability, and data-driven decision-making. Policy decisions are informed by real-time analytics, predictive simulations, and community input, ensuring responsiveness to both immediate challenges and long-term strategic objectives. Civic participation is encouraged through digital platforms and public forums, creating an engaged citizenry that actively shapes the city's growth. Regulations are designed to support innovation, while protecting resources, maintaining a balance between technological advancement and social responsibility. And healthcare and wellness are seamlessly embedded into urban design. Clinics and hospitals integrate telemedicine, AI diagnostics, and preventive care systems to provide fast, effective treatment for residents. Public spaces promote physical activity, mental health, and community engagement, with walking trails, fitness zones, and recreational areas distributed throughout the city. Environmental quality is continuously monitored, ensuring clean air, safe water, and a healthy living environment. Nutritional programs, wellness initiatives, and community support systems are part of an overarching approach that prioritizes human well-being alongside technological and economic progress. And cultural enrichment and creative expression are deeply valued, supporting a city that thrives not just on innovation, but also on human inspiration. Museums, galleries, performance spaces, and maker labs provide platforms for exploration, experimentation, and artistic growth. Public art, interactive installations, and communal spaces foster a sense of identity, belonging, and shared purpose. By embedding culture alongside technology, the city cultivates a population that is not only skilled and innovative, but also curious, inspired, and engaged with the world around them. And environmental resilience and adaptive infrastructure ensure that the city can respond to the uncertainties of a rapidly changing world. Buildings, transport systems, and energy networks are designed for flexibility, capable of scaling, repairing, or repurposing as conditions evolve. Climate adaptation measures, from flood mitigation to heat management, are incorporated into planning, making the city robust in the face of natural and societal challenges. This forward-thinking approach ensures that growth is not only sustainable but also durable, maintaining the city's functionality and prosperity over decades. The city's approach to data utilization exemplifies the next frontier of urban intelligence. Every element, from energy grids to transportation networks, residential buildings to industrial facilities, is instrumented with advanced sensors that gather real-time data. This data is processed through sophisticated AI systems capable of predictive analytics, enabling the city to anticipate challenges before they arise and optimize operations continuously. Energy consumption is dynamically balanced across residential, commercial, and industrial sectors, while traffic systems self-adjust to prevent congestion and minimize emissions. Environmental conditions, from air quality to water usage, are monitored constantly, allowing for immediate corrective measures that maintain both ecological balance and human comfort. And autonomous systems are integrated across multiple layers of city operations. Delivery drones transport goods, efficiently reducing the need for conventional logistics and minimizing road traffic. Autonomous construction robots support rapid, precise, and safe building assembly, allowing the city to expand modularly without compromising quality. Public transportation fleets, fully electric and autonomous, move residents seamlessly through interconnected transit corridors. Each autonomous element is connected to the city's central intelligence, allowing coordination between sectors that results in a highly efficient, resilient, and adaptive urban ecosystem. And space-oriented innovation forms a unique cornerstone of this city's industrial and research identity. Aerospace testing facilities, advanced propulsion labs, and materials science centers are co-located with educational institutions and production hubs, creating an environment where experimentation and production occur side by side. Aerospace engineers, scientists, and students collaborate in real time, testing new materials, refining propulsion systems, and advancing technologies that will one day operate beyond Earth. This integration of space technology into daily urban life ensures the city not only contributes to terrestrial progress, but also positions itself at the forefront of humanity's exploration of the cosmos. And digital infrastructure forms the nervous system of the city. High-speed communication networks, distributed cloud computing, and edge computing systems connect residents, industries, and civic institutions in a continuous loop of information exchange. Smart contracts, blockchain-secured transactions, and digital identity systems simplify governance, reduce bureaucratic overhead, and increase transparency. Real-time dashboards allow administrators to monitor urban performance metrics, while residents access interactive platforms to manage energy, use transportation, community participation, and personal productivity. This digital-first approach transforms the city into a living organism, capable of evolving rapidly, while maintaining efficiency, equity, and accountability. And healthcare is elevated through the integration of AI, robotics, and preventive technologies. Clinics employ machine learning algorithms to detect early signs of illness, optimize treatment plans, and predict public health trends. Telemedicine platforms connect residents to specialists around the globe, while automated pharmacies and robotic assistants streamline medication delivery. Wellness infrastructure is embedded throughout the city with green corridors, active recreation zones, and public meditation spaces promoting both mental and physical health. Every aspect of healthcare is proactive, preventative, and seamlessly integrated into daily life, ensuring residents remain healthy and productive while technological systems support their needs unobtrusively. And the city's cultural and creative ecosystem is designed to complement technological advancement. Collaborative maker spaces, interactive museums, and performance centers encourage experimentation in arts, design, and media. Public installations double as both educational tools and aesthetic experiences, fostering curiosity and inspiration. Cultural events are tied directly to innovation hubs where artistic exploration meets technological experimentation, creating cross-disciplinary breakthroughs that drive both human expression and technical innovation. By nurturing creativity alongside scientific achievement, the city ensures its population remains adaptive, inspired, and resilient. And food production and distribution within the city are transformed through vertical farming, hydroponics, and AI-managed supply chains. Crops are cultivated in controlled environments, minimizing water use, eliminating pesticides, and maximizing yield per square meter. Automated delivery systems distribute food efficiently, reducing waste and ensuring equitable access across the urban landscape. Community gardens, rooftop farms, and research farms integrate residents into the food system, providing hands-on education in sustainable agriculture while connecting urban living with natural processes. And the city's commitment to circular economy principles extends into every sector. Materials are reused, repurposed, and recycled, seamlessly reducing the extraction of raw resources and minimizing environmental impact. Construction materials, industrial components, and consumer products are tracked through digital twins, allowing life cycle management from production to recycling. Waste streams are transformed into resources, energy is recovered wherever possible, and emissions are captured and neutralized through advanced technologies. This holistic approach ensures the city's growth is not only sustainable, but regenerative, contributing positively to both the environment and society. And community engagement and participatory design are central to governance and urban planning. Residents contribute to decision-making through digital platforms, public forums, and immersive simulations, allowing direct input into city operations, development priorities, and policy creation. Education, work, and civic participation are intertwined, fostering a sense of ownership and shared responsibility. The city is thus not only technologically advanced, but socially cohesive, creating an environment where human potential is maximized alongside technological capability.